Hello everyone, let's make an amazing quote slide today, and for that first of all we will change the layout of our slide. Then go to the format background and make it gradient. Select the radial type and choose this direction. Now I will delete one strip from here because we will need only 3. You can also adjust it according to your choice. Then we will select color of our choice. I am choosing green from here and adjust the scale. And in the same way, we fill the left 2 strips and adjust the color darkness on the scale. Now we will adjust it accordingly. I will make the light color little bit darker in this. And now it looks perfect. In the next step, we will go to the Insert tab and take a picture you want to use in this slide. Adjust the picture accordingly. And then go to the shape. And let's select a rectangle speech bubble with this rounded corner. Adjust the length and width of speech bubble. And make it no fill and fill the shape outline with the white color. And make the width size 14. Now select shape options and go to 3D rotation and select the left perspective. Then we will go to 3D format and adjust the width and length according to our need. I am making the width 9 and height will be 30. Then go to material section and select soft edge in special effect. Now it looks exactly the way I want it. Now duplicate the shape and remove the 3D format and change its color to black and adjust the transparency to give the shadow effect and then send it to back. I am again reducing its transparency to look it more realistic, and for that you first need to select the object. Then insert the text box I already have, so I will press Ctrl+X to cut and then paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V. Let's adjust it accordingly and change the font color, text and text size. I am choosing Footlight font. And font size will be 20. Apply the same font size, color and font as we used in previous. Now go to the Insert tab, then Icons and select quote icon. Adjust it and change its color similar to the font color. Now we will add animations in our slide. For that, go to the Animation tab and open the animation pane. First we will select the image and then select the float-in effect. To put animation in the shape, first select the both shape and Ctrl+G to group it. Then select float-in animation again in this and start after previous. Then we will select the icon and text to group it by pressing Ctrl+G again and then add wipe animation in this. Change the effect options and select from left. We will set it start after previous. To apply the same animation, we will use Animation Painter and set it start with previous. We can check our work time to time from here only. I am going to increase the duration of quote text to 1 minute. And here is your creative quote slide. If you find it helpful, do like, share and subscribe our channel.